Swift on the tune.
Double A Flex.
They was sleeping on the kid.
Wake up, wake up.
So I woke him out of bed.
Wake up, wake up.
I'ma teach you how to get money.
Cash.
I'ma teach you how to get bread.
Bread.
They was sleeping on the kid.
Wake up, wake up.
So I woke him out of bed.
Wake up, wake up.
I'ma teach you how to get money.
Bread.
I'ma teach you how to get bread.
Cash.
First thing first, when the money come,
Bag.
shit get sweet like a honey bun.
Delicious.
Me being broke, that's a funny one.
Good one.
But what you gonna do with all the money done?
Bro.
You out here gonna be begging with a sign out,
Bitch.
but I'ma show a nigga with his 9 bout. Remember I was young trying to stack cake.
Bread.
Shorty wanna fuck me till her back break.
No thought.
Smoke a nigga like an ashtray.
Hey.
Tryna get these bags the glad way.
Trapping.
You niggas couldn't see me on my bad day.
You wish.
You fuck with me today, gon' be your last day.
Bitch.
Rest in peace, the nigga need a tombstone. I feel like Kevin Gates, I got 2
Free
phones.
my nigga.
Remember I was trapping off a Nextel.
Next step.
My new bitch gon' ask me how my ex
She
feel.
trippin'.
I told that bitch shut up and take this X pill.
Get lit.
And later on gon' tell me how the sex feel.
That pussy wet.
She say you ain't nothing like them other niggas.
Excuse me?
Don't ever compare me to these bummy niggas.
Bitch.
All I'm tryna do is get this money, nigga.
Cash.
A nigga hit a lick on me, that's funny,
A
nigga.
good one.
I'm laughing all the way to the bank, bitch.
Bang.
And I can give a fuck about what you think, bitch.
Stupid.
What's in my cup, you know I'm sipping drink,
That
bitch.
purple.
Go and take a bath, cause you stink, bitch. Remember when they said that I ain't shit?
Damn.
I should stop making songs cause I can't spit.
For real?
Who the fuck asked you for your 2 cents?
Get the fuck
You
out.
a broke ass nigga, keep your 2 cents. I'm with them haters, see me, I don't do tens. The police tryna track me by my shoe print.
Fuck 12.
Pass a bunch around like it's hot potato.
Damn.
I told them ketchup, we don't do tomatoes.
Sauce.
Whipping up these babies, I'ma need a cradle. I show too much damn love for me to be a hater.
Hey, the F1 baby, nigga. But chill out, nigga. Show them niggas that shit, but you ain't probably snitching, nigga. We gon' keep it on the low. Bags, DPA. Shout out to Woody.